Assalamu alaikum learners, how are you? I am Tahira from FW Model School. This is my 6th lecture for class 8 subject math topic laws of indices. Today we are going to learn about laws of indices. First of all, we discuss objective of this law. Number 1, to know what indices are. Number 2, to learn the rules of indices. First of all, we discuss what are indices. Indices provide a way of writing numbers in a more compact and convenient form. Indices is the plural of index, and index is often referred to as a power. Next, we discuss why this concept came into mathematics. Actually, when we have many same numbers, for example, here we have a number 5 and we have 3 times 5, then it is very difficult for them to write these numbers 3, 4 or 5 times. So they will be decided to find out some short numbers and forms, so our calculation is easy. So we write 2 raised to power, so we write here 5 raised to power 3, here we write 5 raised to power 3. In this power 5 raised to power 3, in this example 5 is the base number and 3 is the power number. Next, we discuss combining numbers. For example, here we have 3 times 5 and 4 times 2, and we combine these numbers and we write 5 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 4. We cannot write this any more simply because we have a different base here. Here we have different base and we cannot write this any more simple. First of all, we have a first rule, that is multiplication. 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. For multiplication, when we have same base of the numbers, for the multiplication rule we add the powers of these numbers. For example, here we add 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and we write 2 raised to power 10. We write 2 as it is because we have in two numbers we have same base and we add the powers. Next, we discuss division rule. 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 4. In this rule, we have same base. When we divide the powers, the simple method is we subtract the powers of these numbers. For example, here when we subtract 6 minus 4, when we solve this question 6 minus 4, we have a number 2 and we write 2 raised to power 2. Next, we discuss brackets. For example, here we have a number 2 raised to power 6 and so whole raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 6 and the whole raised to power 2. Here we multiply the powers. For example, 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6. When we multiply, we get a number 2 raised to power 12. Next, we discuss index of 0. When your power is 0 is always equal to 1. For example, 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 5. When we subtract 5, we get 0 power. Anything raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Next, we discuss putting them together. For example, here we have a number 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4, and we know that for multiplication we add the powers of the numbers. First of all, we add 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and then we divide these numbers, and then we divide 2 raised to power 3, and we know that when we divide we subtract the powers of the numbers. When we subtract 10 minus 3, we get a number that is 7, and we can say that the powers of this question 2 raised to power 7, and we get a number 2 raised to power 7. Next, we discuss works with algebra. Here we have some algebraic expression a raised to power 6 multiplied by a raised to power 4, and we know that when we multiply we add the powers and we get a number a raised to power 10. Here we have a mixture of algebraic expression and the numbers, and we solve this example and we get a number 2a raised to power 2a raised to power 2. Next, we discuss negative index number. For example, here we have a number 5 raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 7. Simplify the expression below. To understand this result, fully consider the following. For example, when we In division method, we subtract the numbers. When we subtract 3 minus 7, we get a number 5 raised to power minus 4. Write the original expression again as quotient. Here we write the expression as quotient. Expand the numerator and denominator. Expanded the numerator and the denominator. Cancel out as many 5s as possible. Here we cancel the 5s and we get a number 1 by 5 into 5 into 5 and into 5. Write as a power of 5. Here we write as a power of 5. 1 by 5 raised to power 4. Now compare the two results. Next we discuss negative indices. Here we have a number a raised to power minus m. So power cannot be negative. You cannot express any power in a negative. So here you have to remove this negative power. When numerator have a negative power, you can take it in denominator. When numerator have a negative power, you can take it in denominator. For example, here we write a by a m, and this m is positive. When we change the numerator into denominator, we get a number 1 by a m. Here is a summary of these rules: multiplication of indices, division of indices, for negative indices, fractional indices, and power. Here our main focus is on multiplication indices, division of indices, and negative indices. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.